These are 3 seamless, wireless, full coverage bras I was sent to review from Comfelie. They're made for bust sizes from 32B to 46DDD and are made of silky smooth Oecotex 100 certified buttery soft microfiber nylon spandex blends. So let's take a closer look at each one. First up, we have this gorgeous scalloped everyday bra in dusty rose. It also comes in black and oyster pink. This scallop detail is gorgeous. You can't wear it with a plunging neckline, but it's great with regular shirts and modest scoop or v-necks. It features really comfy, thick, adjustable straps with hook and eye closure in the back. It has semi-fixed, breathable padding, which is easy to adjust after washing. It's super supportive, comfy, and cute. Next up is their Ultra Fit t-shirt bra in almond. It also comes in black and oyster pink. This one features triangular stabilizers in the underband that keeps it in place and helps provide really great support. It also has nice and thick adjustable straps and hook and eye closure in the back. Really natural shape here, really nice v-neck while still being modest. You don't have to worry about anything spilling out or like whatever, like it's almost like halfway between a bra and a sports bra in how much it's full coverage, very supportive. All of these are like that. This one's great under t-shirts, dress, sweater, you name it. Last but not least, we have this color block everyday bra. I love the color blocking on this one, so fun. This is their black. It also comes in light gray and oyster pink. I love the contrasting colors on this one and the casual look, featuring nice, thick, comfy adjustable straps and hook and eye closure in the back, just like the other two. I love that the labels on all of these are printed inside, so there's no tag that's gonna be scratchy or itchy or anything. They all have these partially attached so you can reach in to adjust inside, and they're all seamless and so comfortable inside. They all have great adjustability in the back with 3 rows and 4 columns of clasps, and they do also come with 1 bra extender in the same matching color. So here we have the almond one, dusty rose one, and the color blocking one. I love all of these bras from Comfelie. Honestly, full coverage, modest bras that provide great support are so comfortable, but they're still cute, whether you're doing the color blocking, the scallops here, like just love these, and I know you will too.